In this video, we will introduce Table Layout Part 3. Let's finish our implementation and run our demo. I'm going to add 2 more table rows. I'm going to be reusing these attributes. And I'm going to call this table row 4. And I'm just going to add 1 button here. We're going to use a layout column. And remember that this is 0 based, so the values start with 0. So the column 3 would be in number 2. Now let's add another table row, and we will just copy our existing one, and we'll call this table row 5, and our button will be 5. And now we'll change the layout column value to be 1. Add the value of 1 to our layout column to display this button in the second column of our table. And remember that this is 0 based, so the first column starts at 0 and the second one at 2, so on. So now let's demonstrate our functionality. I already have the Android emulator up and running. I also have already installed my app on the emulator. If you want to start the emulator and start the app, remember to right click on your project, select Run As, and then Android Application. Now here we have our layout. As you can see, we were able to position our buttons and also our labels and our input wherever we wanted. We can see that this spans 2 columns. Here we have a label and 2 buttons, and then we have 1 button that's all the way in column 3 and the other in column 2. This concludes our discussion of Table Layout Part 3.